YouTube? It's your boy Evo here, recording a video. So far, I opened it at least so I can just get right to the point. This is a little surprise, so I'm gonna just show you the hardware. When I show you guys this, you'll probably know what it is, but you'll probably know by the title anyway. This is the rear diffuser for the Honda Civic SI, Mugen, whatever you want to call it. I've been hearing all types of different names for this thing. It is well, the way I knew it was a Mugen, I think it was called like a Civic SI Mugen. My boy's dad that lives down the street. He's the one that had the Honda Civic EK, if y'all remember that video. Slash the Acura RSX with the missing second gear. But I'm here outside. I'm gonna test fit this Honda Civic SI, like I said. I bring my car keys. Sorry, let me just. I don't think I brought my car keys, so that's nice. But hold on, let me see if I. No, I did bring this car keys. I did. Let me put some of this stuff in here real quick, cause I also need to get it painted. Let me just put my wallet in my phone. I don't need it right now at the moment. Jesus, it's windy as heck today. I've been seeing a lot of people cut it. I just saw a video like not too long ago that some dude cut it, and it was so stupid. Cause it fit, he just didn't put a lot of pressure into it. But he cut it right around like here area, and then drilled a screw on both sides to make it look even, which I didn't really like that. Because the way this one looked, it's kind of the same way. But like I said, I have to paint it. It's all black. They didn't have a color choicing on the website I bought it. I bought it on eBay, obviously. Everybody buys everything on eBay. But I wanted to test fit it at least for myself. Because I've been seeing a lot of people drill, a lot of drilling, and like I said, a lot of people know I'm doing a one shot, one take. That's why I'm also getting my bumper painted. My bumper is still not painted, but it's okay because I'm going to get this painted and that painted at the same time. So I don't have to just, I don't have to worry about this stuff happening anymore. But probably, by the looks of it, I might have to lose that. But I'm not sure exactly yet. But I want to at least. My worry right now is just this exhaust, because my exhaust is not a basic Civic SI exhaust. Ooh. Alright, looks like looks like it's held. Looks like it was held by my exhaust. Oh my god. Alright, so looks like I lose that. I would have to take this off, looks like, for me. Or anybody that has Civic EX model, I should say. I'm just trying to test fit it right now, at least, to see how it looks. Alright. See, like theirs look like that, and then they had to cut it, but I don't think I have to cut mine. This part could just stay up there. I just want to see what it looks like. I believe I have to take my mud flaps off. Those mud flaps are blocking my way, I believe. Maybe. Let me see if I can use this box real quick. Maybe it can help me out, do something, at least something. Okay, box. I don't think this box is gonna do nothing but hold it up, probably. just there. Yeah, my looks like, yeah, I will have to take this off, as you can see. So I'll have to take that part off, because it's hella windy out here, and hella cold. Yeah. Looks like my mud flaps gotta go bye-bye. Yeah, mud flaps. Yeah, so make sure you guys take off those mud flaps. Those mud flaps gotta go. But all in all, I'm kind of digging the black on silver, honestly. My exhaust, dude, barely just missed it by the way that I'm having it hold by this amazing box. I'm gonna call it the amazing box. But yeah, like I said, I'll have to take all these mud flaps, but I was watching, like I said, videos of the installation, and people were telling me that, like I said, some people literally have to cut that side or one of these sides at least to make it fit, and then 3M tape. Tell me if yours if you guys, that have HN Civics out there, if yours brought 3M tape or not, because mine didn't bring 3M tape, and I know you have to put 3M tape because of this whole side right here. It's probably all 3M taped. So, and then the drilling is only the light bar because the wire has to go through up. I'll probably do it like this one guy did, which is a really good strategy. He cut up here, he took this bumper off and brought it up here to use this light as a wire for it, as a brake. But now I need like a duct tape because my bag looks really good. Damn, that looks good, honestly. That looks really good. I'll have to take those mud flaps off. And I'm guessing that goes the same way as, yeah, I'll take those mud flaps off. Sorry, I was thinking to myself. It looks good. I don't just post videos just to let you guys see, and I know it's been a while since I posted a video, but like I said, I've been working a lot harder. I've been doing a lot more behind the scenes. There's car meet videos I still have to post up. Like, there's a bunch of videos I have to post up for you guys. But don't worry, you guys will be caught up soon. But yeah, this is just a test fit video right now. Probably later on in this clip, you'll probably see it probably paint match and actually on. So that looks so freaking good. But like I said, right now I'm not taking off those mud flaps. I gotta get it painted. It was pretty cheap when I bought it on Amazon. It's around like 150, and then with tax it's like 160. So it's not bad. And that's including with the shipping, which is like an extra 60 something cents. So it's like 159 and then 160 with the taxes. It'll probably go up now because it's more like get into that time of that season. But